I want you to think about the word now. Right now, you are watching this video. Right now, on the other side of the world, someone is sleeping. Right now, on Mars, the wind is blowing. We intuitively believe that there is a giant cosmic clock ticking in the background of the universe. We believe that now is a thin slice of reality that sweeps forward, turning the future into the past. We believe the past is gone. We believe the future hasn't happened yet. But I am here to tell you that according to physics, you are wrong. According to Richard Feynman and Albert Einstein, the separation between past, present, and future is an illusion. The future has already happened. The past is still happening. The entire history of the universe exists simultaneously, frozen in a giant block of ice. Today we are going to explore the block universe. We're going to look at Feynman Lectures Vol I, Chapter 17, and we are going to break your concept of time. We are going to find out why the dinosaurs are still alive and why your death has technically already occurred. To understand this, we have to destroy the idea of simultaneity. Imagine you are standing on a train platform. Two lightning bolts strike the tracks, one to your left, one to your right. You see them hit at the exact same time. You say, these two events were simultaneous. But now, imagine your friend is on a high-speed train rushing past you. Because he is moving toward one bolt and away from the other, the light reaches him at different times. He sees the left bolt hit first. He sees the right bolt hit second. You argue. You say, they happened at the same time. He says, no, the left one happened first. Who is right? Newton would say, you are right. The guy on the train is just confused by his speed. But Einstein says, you are both right. In the universe, there is no correct order of events. Now depends entirely on your speed. If you change your speed, you change your now. This sounds like a tiny technicality, but when you apply it to the universe, it becomes a nightmare. It creates something called the Andromeda Paradox. Imagine an alien civilization in the Andromeda galaxy, 2.5 million light years away. Imagine an alien named Zorg. Zorg is sitting on his couch, not moving. Because he is not moving relative to Earth, his now slice of the universe aligns with your now slice. In his now, you are watching this video. But now, imagine Zorg stands up and starts walking toward Earth. He is walking slowly, just a few miles per hour. But because Andromeda is so far away, that tiny angle of motion shifts his now slice of the universe drastically. Just by walking toward Earth, Zorg's now slice tilts into Earth's future. In Zorg's new now, you are not watching this video. In Zorg's now, you are dead. Your city is ruins. It is 200 years in Earth's future. The event of you dying is happening right now for Zorg, just because he stood up. Now Zorg turns around and walks away from Earth. His now slice tilts the other way. It tilts into Earth's past. Suddenly, in Zorg's reality, you haven't been born yet. Abraham Lincoln is president. The dinosaurs might still be roaming if he runs fast enough. This is not a metaphor. This is the geometry of space-time. There is no single present. There are infinite presents. If an alien walking across a room can make your future real for him, it implies that your future already exists. It is sitting there, waiting to be looked at. You cannot tilt your slice into the future if there is nothing there to slice into. This leads physicists to the block universe theory. Imagine a loaf of bread. One end of the loaf is the Big Bang. The other end is the heat death of the universe. Every moment that ever happened or will happen is a crumb inside the bread. The dinosaurs are a crumb. The Roman Empire is a crumb. You watching this video is a crumb. Your great-grandchild is a crumb. They all exist at once. The loaf is solid. It is unchanging. What we call time is just our brain moving through the loaf, slice by slice, like a scanner reading a barcode. We feel the flow. We feel the change. But the barcode itself doesn't change. The movie is already on the reel. We are just watching it play. Feynman describes space-time as a static four-dimensional geometry. He says that matter doesn't move through time. Matter forms a world line. Imagine a worm frozen in a block of ice. The worm isn't wiggling. It's just a shape. Your life, from birth to death, is a long, squiggly worm frozen in the block of space-time. You think you are the head of the worm moving forward. But the tail of the worm, your birth, still exists. And the future of the worm, your death, already exists. This is a terrifying thought. It means that free will might be the ultimate illusion. If the future already exists, if Zorg can see it just by walking, then you cannot change it. You are walking down a hallway that has already been built. You can't turn left if the hallway goes right. You are going to make the choices you are going to make. You are going to die when you are going to die. The script is written. However, Feynman, being Feynman, finds a way to keep the mystery alive. He reminds us that while the geometry suggests a block universe, quantum mechanics introduces uncertainty. As we discussed in the double slit video, the future of a particle is probability, not certainty. Maybe the block is fuzzy at the edges. Maybe the future is a cloud of smoke that only solidifies into a block when we get there. But relativity remains stubborn. If you believe Einstein, if you believe that the speed of light is constant, then you must accept that now is an illusion. You must accept that somewhere in the geometry of the universe, everything is happening at once. So the next time you worry about the future, or regret the past, remember the block. The past isn't gone. It's just down the road. The future isn't unwritten. It's just up the road. And you are just a traveler, enjoying the view along the world line.